Alright, so we're going to do a cold start this morning on the 97 PowerStroke turbo diesel, my dad's truck. Sorry if you can't see anything right now, it's early. We'll do a cold start on it. It wasn't really that cold last night, it was about 49. But anyway, this thing's interesting to start. Oh! This thing's got a set of bad injectors, and sometimes it can be kind of a bitch to start, but just thought I'd make a cold start video on it anyway. What I do is I cycle the glow plugs 3 full times. There's the second time. Ooh, it's rough. Sounds like it's about to blow up, don't it? It started better than it usually does because it is on bad injectors. It don't sound good though, but that's because the damn injectors are bad on it. The odometer, let's see. The odometer reads 100. I know you can't see it, but I can. The odometer reads 194,400.3 miles. So it's actually a low mileage truck for a 97. She's running about on 6 cylinders right now. Maybe 7. But it's missing on at least 1. Anyway, there's your cold start on the old 97. And I'll get some more cold start videos when we get the injectors replaced.